Hello everyone. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Sarah. Usually I'll be traveling the world, but at the moment we're going through a global pandemic, which means I have been sent home from a place where I moved to, the beautiful Jordan, back to the UK. But it's all good. If you are interested in that story, I've got a whole playlist about Jordan, about being in quarantine, lockdown, and our rescue flight home. But today I am going to unbox. I've never done an unboxing video before, but I am going to unbox all that I have received from A Waste Free World, which is a plastic and waste-free company here in the UK. Spoiler alert, it is actually my company. So Waste Free World is my business that I set up 10 months ago, and we sell plastic-free alternatives to everyday products, shampoos, kitchen products, bathroom cleaning products, everything like that. I'm actually just going to show you some of the products that we sell. So I actually bought this myself. I do definitely believe in supporting your own business, because we're going through very hard times at the moment and staff and bills still need to be paid. So I did pay for this myself, which means it's not sponsored, it's not in collaboration. I bought these products from my own store. So what I'm going to do is unbox it all and show you a little bit about the products that we sell. So let's start off with the packaging. So as you can see, it's all completely plastic free. This box actually is a reused box from one of the suppliers that sent us products. So what the store manager has done is packed the order in a reused box, which is great because what's the point in throwing them away when you can just reuse them to pack orders? And then you've got the tape on there, which is paper tape. So there is absolutely no plastic which goes into the packaging. Right, so as you can see here, it is packaged with some kind of like papery packaging. This isn't ours, we never bought this. So again, it would have come from one of the suppliers and we're just reusing it. So I'm definitely going to reuse that as well myself. So it's like 3 times now reused. Right, look at this. Woohoo! Right, let's go through some of the plastic-free items that we sell in the Waste Free World. We do a lot of research to make sure that the products that we are buying from the supplier are completely plastic free and as waste free as possible, and we tend to only buy from small businesses in the UK or Europe. So this first one is my latest obsession, and I'm pretty sure that we are now sold out of all of this coffee at the moment. So it's plastic free coffee. As far as I know, it is the only plastic free coffee available on the market. Percol, and it is completely packaged plastic free. It's also fair trade organic coffee. It is so good. I love it, I love it, I love it. I drink so much coffee, and before I found this brand, I was kind of noticed about how much plastic is actually in the coffee packaging and how it's not even recyclable. So it's literally just plastic going into landfill. So these are amazing because they're actually just paper. So yeah, hopefully we can get some more back in stock in A Waste Free World. But definitely check the link below to see if we've got them back in stock. So coffee, and then we are on to soap. So soap, it's all the rage at the moment because we're washing our hands all the time. But you have to look at what you're washing your hands with. I mean, first of all, is it coming in a big plastic bottle? And second of all, what are the actual ingredients? Are they natural or are they just horrible ingredients which is going to be harmful to your skin and your hands and make it really sensitive? So we stock these soaps at Waste Free World. But of course, they're 100% plastic free. So it's just cardboard, so it's fully recyclable. It's completely natural soap, so there's no nasty ingredients in there. They're very good for your hands, for sensitive skin. It's amazing. So they're free from parabens, they're free from palm oil, and they're cruelty free. So these are the brands that we use at Waste Free World, which is called a Friendly Soap. We've got loads of different flavours, smells. We've got shampoo bars, we've got full travel bars, we've got shaven bars. They're amazing. There's no need to be using, you know, those plastic soap bottles or plastic shower gel ever, because we've got soap. I honestly can't even remember what I ordered. What is this? Ah, right, okay, so this is mouthwash. So the reason that was wrapped in the paper is because it's a glass bottle. So it's mouthwash from G Organics, who are actually a company in West Sussex, and I live in East Sussex usually, so very, very local. Really, really great company who do all dental products, completely plastic free. So toothpaste, they do tablets, and then obviously that's mouthwash there. So that comes in such a cute little bottle, which you can definitely reuse afterwards. Put a little plant in there or a candle, and then aluminium lid. And you just use that just like normal mouthwash, and it's all natural. Right, next up is one of my favourite products actually at Away2Me World. It is our travel cups. I use these all the time when I'm usually travelling, and also just if you're going outside at all in the normal life, not now while we're in quarantine. Taking a reusable coffee cup with you saves you using the single-use coffee cups. So the thing with the single-use coffee cups that you get at normal coffee stores, maybe they don't look like they're plastic because they're all kind of like cardboardy paper, but they are actually lined with a very thin plastic material inside of them, which not only means is they're plastic, but means that they can't be recycled because they've got mixed materials. And then as well as the plastic top, there just is no need anymore, because there's so many reusable coffee cups on the market, to ever actually need a single-use plastic coffee cup. So this beautiful one, which we've got from Husky Home, which is a UK company, in coral, which is just a beautiful, beautiful colour. Everybody loves these. They're made of rice husk, which is crazy. So that is not plastic, they are made from a completely natural material. There is so much stuff. Okay, these ones, again, pretty sure that I might have bought one of the last ones, but I know we're getting more back in stock. These are reusable paper towels. Replace these normal kitchen towels, which you obviously use once and then throw away. These reusable ones replace these. So obviously they're not plastic, so what's the problem with these? Well, actually they're just single use, and you use them once, you chuck them away, and there we go. Mainly they're just quite wasteful ones. So what they are is they're almost like thicker kind of cloths, but you use them just as you would use a kitchen towel, and you can pop them in the washing machine and take them out. They've got 65 here. They literally last a lifetime, as long as you don't throw them away, because they look like kitchen towels. So maybe if someone else comes in your kitchen, thinks there's a kitchen towel and throws it away, you can literally just keep reusing them, keep putting them in the washing machine, and they're just amazing. They work for everything: bathroom cleaning, cleaning the house, cleaning the kitchen. Love, love, love them. This is one of our newest little loafers. It's a vegetable, root vegetable scrubber. So that would just be to obviously get all of the mud or anything off of the vegetables that you're buying. It's really great at this time when there obviously is a virus going around, to just make sure that all of your fruit and veg is nice and clean before you eat it. So that's a root vegetable scrubber. They're super affordable, and just a really, really great little thing to have in your kitchen. And then we've also got a bath one. So these are actually flat, but when you put water in them, they expand. Made from a loafer plant, natural, and works just like any other loafer. Alright, what else have we got? So much stuff. Scrubbies. Okay, I love these because they're orcas, and orcas are like my favourite animals. But they're also super, super great product. They is 100% biodegradable cleaning pads. So again, you would use those for like work surfaces, just cleaning the house in general. Made of 100% organic cotton, and they work really, really well. Again, super affordable, 2 packets, completely plastic free, completely waste free. This is just recyclable paper, and they're just gorgeous. Look at the pattern. I love those orcas. Right, what else have we got? Ooh. Yes, one thing that I couldn't bring home with me from Jordan, because I didn't have much luggage. Deodorant. So this is my ultimate favourite deodorant, and I have tried a lot of natural deodorants, a lot, and I've wasted a lot of money. What I actually found was the reason that I love this one so much, and the reason that this works, is because it's baking soda free, and that for some reason just works so much better with my skin and my body. So it's a mood deodorant, It is beautiful, it smells so good, and even though it's small, it lasts a long time. You literally only need a couple of wipes under your arm and then you're good for the whole day. I love it. I swear by this deodorant. It's the only one that I use because every other natural deodorant I use just doesn't help with the sweating problem. I bought myself some beauty cubes, which are cubes of conditioner. So the great thing about this is obviously no plastic bottles, and it actually helps you to control the amount of conditioner you actually use, because what you do is you just use one cube. So I'm going to show you. So you can see they're all in one cube. So what you do is you just put it in your hand, get a little bit of water, crush it up, and you use that as conditioner, and that's all you need. They're vegan friendly, plastic free, palm oil free, cruelty free, and you've got enough. I feel like there's like 32 in there. You've got enough to last a long time, and they smell incredible. So they're beauty cubes. We also have the shampoo. This is like the best, even though I already know all these products, but it's just like the best parcel to receive. So yeah, I've got a shampoo as well. These are actually on sale in Waste Free World at the moment, and they're exactly the same. So if you have tried natural shampoo bars and you haven't got on with them, try Beauty Cubes. 64% organic ingredients, whereas the shampoo bars are 100% organic ingredients. So the difference in ingredients may help you to kind of make that transition from normal shampoo, which is full of awful ingredients, which is bad for your hair, bad for your scalp, over to more of a natural shampoo cube. Give it a try. This will work. All right. What else have we got? A brush, woohoo! Because where we're staying just had a plastic brush already, and it is already looking a bit knackered, so I wanted to buy a plastic-free cleaning brush for like glasses and just to wash up, and it's great. And what you can do is you can actually change the head, so you can buy replaceable heads for the brush and just put them back on, so you literally don't ever need to buy another one of those handles. So that is my plastic free haul. I'm gonna obviously link down below, but it's at wastefreeworld.com. I truly appreciate your support at this time. It's very hard as a small business, trying to compete with the massive businesses that are around, like Amazon or any of those kind of bigger shops that sell similar kind of products, but not plastic free. If you do make any purchases from a Waste Free World, you're not just helping myself as a small business owner to maintain paying the staff and the bills, but you're also helping all of the suppliers that we order from, who are also small UK businesses. And what more importantly, you are helping the world, because you are not bringing any more plastic or waste into the world. With all of these products, they are all plastic, waste free, biodegradable, natural. They are amazing quality products, so it's just a win-win for everybody. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing video, a little bit different from obviously the travel videos that I usually do, but we have to adapt to these current circumstances during COVID-19. If you have bought anything from Waste Free World, please send me a picture. You can send it on Instagram, Facebook, whatever. Leave a little comment below. Please subscribe. I promise you there will always be travel videos on this channel, but we're just putting that on a little pause for the moment. So thank you guys. Please remember to support small businesses at this time. They really need your help. And I will see you again for some more videos.